Viewers, welcome again to my channel The Math Habit with an interesting math problem where we have to find the value of x where x power minus 1 is equal to 27 power x. As the problem is x power minus 1 is equal to 27 power x, here we can write this x as 1 over x because here we have minus 1 in the power. So 1 over x is equal to 27 power x. Now I'll just write it at 27 power x is equal to 1 over x, and to eliminate this x in the power I'll just multiply 1 over x in the powers on both sides of the equation. So let's follow me. 27 power x into 1 over x will be equal to 1 over x whole power 1 over x. This and this will be cancelled out on left hand side, and 27 will be only equal to 1 over x power 1 over x. As we can write 27 in the form of 3 power 3 is equal to 1 over x whole power 1 over x. Now if you notice that on both sides of the equation 3 is equal to 1 over x in the base and 3 is equal to 1 over x in the parts. So we can write 3 is equal to 1 over x. If we cross multiply here, x will be equal to 1 by 3, and this is the value of x we have found out. But this is the time to verify the answer, whether it is satisfying our equation or not. As x power minus 1 is equal to 27 power x and x is equal to 1 by 3. So 1 by 3 power minus 1 is equal to 27 power 1 by 3. We can write this impression as 3 by 1 whole power 1 and this as 3 cube whole power 1 by 3, as this will be equal to 3 and this will be cancelled out and this will also equal to 3. Left hand side is equal to right hand side, and this is proof that x is equal to 1 by 3 is the real answer to this problem. Hit like button if you enjoyed the video and never forget to subscribe my channel The Math Habit. Thanks for watching the video. Wait for my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.